Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will go over some pros and cons of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular online business model that allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services on behalf of companies. While it offers several advantages, it also has its share of challenges. In this article, we will discuss the top 5 pros and cons of affiliate marketing to help you make an informed decision about pursuing this avenue. Pros. 1. Passive income potential. One of the key benefits of affiliate marketing is the opportunity to generate passive income. Once you set up your affiliate links and marketing strategies, you can earn commissions on sales or referrals while you sleep. This means that you have the potential to earn money even when you're not actively working on your campaigns. 2. Low startup costs. Compared to starting a traditional business, affiliate marketing typically requires minimal investment. You don't need to create your own products or manage inventory, which significantly reduces upfront costs. With a computer and an internet connection, you can get started with affiliate marketing relatively quickly and inexpensively. 3. Flexibility and independence. As an affiliate marketer, you have the freedom to work from anywhere and set your own schedule. You can choose the products or niches you want to promote and have control over your marketing strategies. This flexibility allows you to create a lifestyle that aligns with your personal preferences and goals. 4. Wide range of products and markets. Affiliate marketing provides access to a vast range of products and markets. You can choose from countless affiliate programs and find products that align with your interests or cater to specific audiences. This diversity allows you to experiment and explore different niches, helping you discover what resonates best with your target audience. 5. No customer support or product development. As an affiliate marketer, your primary focus is on promoting products and driving sales. You don't need to worry about customer support, product development, or order fulfillment. These responsibilities are handled by the product vendors or companies you're affiliated with, freeing up your time and energy to focus on marketing efforts. Our affiliate program is free to join and pays 25% commissions for the life of the referral. You can check it out in the description below. Cons. 1. Intense competition. The popularity of affiliate marketing means that competition can be fierce, especially in saturated niches. It may take time and effort to establish yourself and gain a competitive edge. Building a solid brand, creating high-quality content, and developing a unique selling proposition can help you stand out from the crowd. 2. Dependence on affiliate programs. Your success as an affiliate marketer relies on the performance and reliability of the affiliate programs you join. If an affiliate program reduces commissions, changes terms and conditions, or shuts down, it can significantly impact your income. It's important to research and choose reputable and stable affiliate programs to mitigate this risk. 3. Limited control over products and pricing. As an affiliate marketer, you have no control over the products or pricing offered by the companies you promote. If the product quality or pricing is not up to par, it can affect your credibility and conversions. Thoroughly vetting the products and companies you affiliate with is crucial to maintain trust with your audience. 4. Fluctuating income. Affiliate marketing income can be unpredictable, especially in the early stages. It may take time to build a substantial audience and generate consistent sales. Factors such as seasonality, market trends, and changes in consumer behavior can also impact your earnings. It's essential to have realistic expectations and be prepared for fluctuations in income. 5. Reliance on traffic generation. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links or website. This often requires knowledge of digital marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, or paid advertising. Mastering these skills and staying updated with industry trends can be time-consuming and challenging. In conclusion, affiliate marketing offers several advantages, including passive income potential, low startup costs, flexibility, and access to diverse product markets. However, it also comes with challenges like intense competition, dependence on affiliate programs, fluctuating income, limited control over products, and the need to generate targeted traffic. By carefully weighing the pros and cons, conducting thorough research, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can maximize the benefits of affiliate marketing while mitigating the associated risks. Hope you liked the video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. I will see you on the inside.